Help me back to my school. Hello, my friend. I'm so excited to go back to school, but I have to pass 10 challenges before I can get there. Can you help me pass them all? Let's go. Let's start with the first challenge. Can you find the notebook that looks different? Think carefully. Look! He's smiling while hiding. Time for challenge number 2. Choose your backpack. Wow, it's so cute! Yay! Challenge number 3 is here. Would you rather go to PE class or to the mystery gift class? Yay! It's art class! Great job! Get ready for challenge number 4. Guess the school supply. Match the shadow with the right school supply. Yes, that's right. It's a scissor. Great! Let's start challenge 5. Who helps you learn new things at school? Is it the doctor, the teacher, or the astronaut? Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more fun quizzes. Yes, it's the teacher, the kind and smart teacher. Ready for challenge 6? Let's move on to our memory quiz. Try to remember the order of all these school supplies. Now, where are the crayons hiding? Do you remember? Yes, it's hiding behind spot number 3. Awesome! Get ready for challenge number 7. Choose your notebook. Wow, so colorful! Yay! Here comes challenge 8. Which food does not belong in this lunchbox? Yay! It's the ice cream! Fantastic! Get ready for challenge number 9. Can you find the different glue for our arts and crafts? Yay! There it is! Challenge 10. The final one. Would you rather do a puzzle with friends or try a mystery gift activity? Yay! The teacher is reading a fun story. So much fun! Amazing work! You're a superstar! Thank you so much for helping me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventure. Bye!